Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a quick fix makeup. I'm using a Joy cream, which is kind of moisturizer too. We will be applying it into dots and then spread it slowly. This comes the second thing, that's the primer. The one primer from Oriflame. That's how I'm going to take it on my hand little bit. I have used it a lot, so it's getting a little difficult to take it out, and finally I got it. And now I'm going to spread it on my face, again in the form of dots. Dab, 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 dab on your face, and then slowly spread it with your fingers. Wait for 5 minutes, let it settle down. And then we come to the next product. This is a concealer, again from Oriflame 1. It is the brand name. Again I take it on my palms, dab it on my face, dot dot, and then tap tap. I spread it on my face, only on the areas where I actually need it. Do not spread it everywhere. Let us settle down. Here comes the foundation by Revlon. Again I take it on my fist and then I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm dabbing it and then spreading it, taking it into dots so that it gets evenly spread on your face and settle down, giving it a natural look. I apply the primer on my lips so that the lipstick settles down too. Here is the Revlon face powder, which will help me settle all the makeup. I will blend it all using a brush. Here we go, this is a blush on, again by Oriflame 1. And this is how I apply the blush on, using the brush on my nose and my cheekbones. So this is the compact again. I am using it as the base on my eyelids. And because I did not want it to make it very bright, I am using the same highlighter as my eyeshadow. This is a liquid eyeliner by Sugar. Go very slow. Do not remove the wet eyeliner which has spread. Let it dry and then remove. So here comes my most favorite and my most latest lipstick collection. And I have already chosen the color, and this is a bright color for a party wear. This is a mascara by Oriflame. So now is the time to remove the smudged eyeliner and some mascara because it has dried. So now is the time to apply the kajal, and I'm going to take my favorite color bar kajal, and here we are. This is the makeup fixer by Faces. And here you are, ready to slay.